Hey you guys, this is where we're going. I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so we're going into the Ben Thai Plaza. So we're going to go to the grocery store and see what they got going on. Now, if you guys can see, this is a huge Asian market complex, you guys. They've got everything. Pho, they got salons, Chinese barbecue, seafood, a food court. You name it, they got it, honey. Tech, jewelry, everything. So I'll bring you guys back when we get to the vegetable section. Alright you guys, so we are getting close to the, here's a guava. Here is some chai cock. Oh, sugar plum. Looks good. Some assorted cookies, you guys. And rice. Now, we just went to Fiesta and got dragon fruit, right? $2.38, which is actually cheaper than normal. So I wonder if these are white flesh or red flesh. I don't know. So you guys, let's see what we got. I think this is jackfruit. And it's 79 cents a pound. Those bad boys are pretty heavy. Here's a green mango. Okay, so these are white flesh on the box. Those are white flesh. Those are always good. But the pink flesh, actually the yellow ones are even better. So you got some pickled eggplant, some eggplant and chili sauce, some tomatoes. Now we got assorted mushrooms. Do we need to get some mushrooms, you guys? What do y'all think? White beech nut mushrooms, whole mushrooms, seafood mushrooms. Oh, what kind of cauliflower is this? Oh, well, I don't actually tell you. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got some eggplant, you guys. This is going to be white eggplant, Thai eggplant. That's good. White. This is good stuff, y'all. Good stuff. Very, very good stuff. And here's regular eggplant. Very, very good stuff. So I'm bringing you back when we get to the meat. I had to bring you back so you can see the rest of the vegetables, y'all. I'm not sure what kind of vegetable this is. A long squash. Cabbage, sweet squash, Chinese okra, lemongrass. I don't know how to cook lemongrass yet. Not raw lemongrass. That's something I'll have to find out. Yellow potatoes, 59 cents a pound. Here is water spinach, mustard greens, choy, sweet leaves, yucca leaves, Chinese broccoli, sweet potato tips. This looks like bok choy. This is baby Shanghai bok choy. This is regular bok choy. This is baby bok choy, and this is regular bok choy. So this is baby bok choy. This is regular bok choy. So let's see how much their limes are here. Fiesta was 10 for $1. Here it is 7 for $1. And these places are like less than a mile apart. But one is a Mexican grocery store and then one is a Spanish grocery store. So, you know what? I think we need some of these shallots, y'all. Get these for $1. Yeah, but they got too much growing on them, so we're gonna leave those alone. Finger bananas, fresh bananas. Here is some aloe vera for $1.29. Let's go beans. Oh, mango. They not ready though. If they was ready, that would be good. Oh, this one might be ready. I don't need that. So the sweet peppers. We'll get some of these. Now, this is a good price. $1.89, $1.59, and $1.29 per pound. So these are going to be less than a pound. So we'll just use these peppers. Okay, I'll bring y'all back when we get to the fish. Okay, y'all. Now, here they have, oh, they have the mantis shrimp, you guys. I have never seen the mantis shrimp. $6.99. You know what? I think this is something we're going to get. Mantis shrimp. And these are the green up mussels that I get, you guys. So these are the green up mussels, and they are $11.99. See the price. You see that? $11.99. And these are mussel meat, and it's $13.99. So. These are the golden pompano, and they're only $3.19 a pound, so that's pretty good. But they're not fresh like the other ones. These are all frozen, you guys. Whole squirrel, look like red snapper to me, but you can call it whatever you want to call it. So let's see what else they got, you guys. And this is just the frozen stuff, you guys. The girl Silky. I'll bring you back when I find something interesting. Okay, you guys, this is why I like this particular market. They have the seafood separated from all the other foods. So you got a seafood section, you got a chicken section, you got a meat section, you got all these different things.
Man, I like this. Buy a whole live cat.
If they can get it.
They head already cut off and everything. See, at least you can put in the work.
Yeah. And you get it fresh. And then they have the lobsters for $12.99 a pound, you guys. So this is where I get my lobsters when you see me do my videos for the whole lobsters, you guys. What's the difference, I wonder? So, these look way smaller.
Yeah, the one not too big.
Huh? These too big?
No, I thought it.
Oh, okay. She's talking to the lobster.
Get the one not too big. The medium one.
Well, they do have Dungeness crab. Okay, one says Tom Hum Ho, no, and one says Tom Hum Song. These look like they're just a whole lot bigger. Yeah, so I'll be back, you guys. Hold on. I want to show you this. Remember we were at Fiesta? These, no. Where are the crabs at? Blue crabs, $4.29 a pound. That's a big difference from $2.99. I'll be back. This one is 2 pounds, 2.9 pounds. So this is the one I got. He's sitting up there chilling, looking at me. Yes, 3 pounds, perfect. I'll be back. Huh? You guys, those head-on shrimp that you see me get, $2.99 a pound. That's how I do my $5 seafood boils, you guys. $2.99 a pound. So, we're going to get 2 scoops. Uh-oh, hold on. We're going to get 2 scoops of those. Can I get 2 scoops? No, head on. 2 scoops. Uh-oh. All right. And then you're going to see what 2 scoops looks like. So he's putting it up there, you guys. So $11.69. I'll be back. So you guys, here's the difference between a regular grocery store, and you see you can pick your cut of meat. Look at that. You can pick the exact cut of meat that you want. They're actually cutting it back there right now. And this is where I get my rivets from. This is good stuff. Good stuff. Ooh, we got some pork feet. It's a whole pork foot though. I'm gonna put you on hold though. Okay guys, here is our damage. Is that gonna focus? Oh, it's way up there. I'll put it here. Come on. So, they got something on the back of this thing. So, the lobster, the 3-pound lobster costs $37.67. The head-on shrimp cost me $6.04. The mantis shrimp cost me $6.99. And oh, I got those 2 salmon tails. It cost me $7.10. So total $66.80. But hey, this is good stuff, y'all. This is good pricing. All right. Until the next store. Bye.